We are back at it again. We're gonna install some more armor on our 2025 Toyota Tacoma.
Rival sent us these awesome 8-arm armor where you have the engine and transmission skid plate from Rival. So we're gonna install these, see how they look. I think they're gonna look awesome. So let's get into it. This is what it's gonna look like once we're done. We already have those other skid plates. We're putting on these 8-arm. We found out that these nuts have some burrs in them and the screws don't really go in, and it's kind of cross-threading and just spinning. So we're just going through each one, making sure that the screws go in perfectly, threads in without any problems.
Okay, this is what I mean that Johnny needs a new drill for Christmas, because look, nothing, no power, battery's fully charged, but what you gotta do is take it out. What you gotta do is take it out and then shove it in there. Do you know how annoying that is?
Yeah, I do that all the time.
He's a patient guy. All right, let's install.
We really gotta get these little wings flat so we can expose the screw hole perfectly. Get it right exactly where we need so we don't run into the risk of cross-threading. It's still hard to see, but we have to make sure we can finger tight. Okay, I think I got it. All right, so I think it just slots in. Like that. Those other nuts that we worked on, those on top. Good part is this nut is exposed, so we can just put our hand here. It's looking good. Let's tighten them down. Oh, okay, I think we got it.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna tighten this one.
Yep, go for it. All right, well, we just got the driver's side done. We're gonna do the passenger side. But Johnny, what are some of your thoughts?
Okay, I don't know what happened on this time around. It's the same type of nuts that we used on the transmission skid plate and the engine skid plate. Same brand, but on this one, we just had to basically rethread those nuts.
The product is cool. The hardware, that was rough.
Hardware was rough, but the main skid plate looks amazing right now. So we'll try to get the other one on. Hopefully it'll be a lot smoother.
Yeah, hopefully it'll be smoother. Let's do it.
All right.
So we have the driver's side on and the passenger side does not have one on. So you can kind of see a comparison between what it looks like with the A-arm skid plate on and what it looks like with the A-arm skid plate off.
Did you look at me?
Where are you? Where are you? Oh, okay.
Yep,
Ready?
go ahead.
I had to wear Johnny's hat because all these leaves keep getting stuck in my hair, so I stole his hat. But let's get this in here. I already put this in and I can't get it back out to show you guys, but you know the drill. All right, let's get that screw in. Couple twists and let's slide the plate on. And it is nice that it's so much lighter than the other skid plates we have. Is that good enough for now?
Yeah.
All right, last one. It'll be so much nicer when we have a lift, right?
Right.
One day, baby.
One day.
Wow, this, okay. Well, there it is. That's as far as finger tight is, but that was easier. Gotta take the battery out.
Nice.
Mine was the easier side for sure.
So how did it end up for you on your side?
My side was 100% the easier side, went in like a charm.
Would you get it again, or like would you buy the set?
Yes, I think it looks good, and I'm excited to test it out on the trail, see how it functions. What I do think that we really should get is the armor for the fuel tank. And at the end of the day, the armor is something I don't think we'd ever regret. Like when we're on a trail, you never know what's going to happen because something always goes wrong. So I think at the end of the day, just being more protected is always a good move.
It's just a little bonus for it looks better. It looks really awesome, and yeah, if we ever hit anything, we'll not worry about it. These definitely look really good, but it looks like we lost about 1 inch of clearance from this extended point right here. Let's back up and see what it looks like.
Another mod completed on our 2025 Toyota Tacoma.
We had a lot of fun putting these skid plates on. Yes, we had some hiccups, but we sorted it out. They look awesome. Now we have the A-arm, we have the engine, we have transmission. The whole front end is protected pretty much. So the only thing left is, I guess, that fuel tank.
Yeah, we were noticing that there's definitely some scratches on the cover that's on there. So we are going to look into maybe getting a skid plate for that. But we're feeling pretty good. We're feeling armored up, and we're excited to get out on the trails and see even more what this thing can do. So thanks for hanging out with us. Thanks for watching. Let us know if this is a mod that you guys would do, what you think about this A-arm skid plate, and thanks for hanging out with us. Yes, we can.
Yes, we can.